He's already shaken uncontrollably. And then for cases like this. Oh, wow, okay, that works. So, the basic principle is, if he bites me, it's none of your business. Any harm, he suffers here with me. If he gets stressed or feels unwell, that's not my responsibility either. I've never done this before. I'm not gonna just try it on him directly. What if I mess it up while feeding or grooming him? The chest doesn't help, you know? You've got to keep the process clear in your mind, you know? I'm going to shave your fur. After shaving, I'll apply some gel. Doing it your way won't work. Let's shave to 3.2 millimeters, okay? Too short isn't good for your skin, all right? Don't growl at me, that's useless. If that actually worked, everyone would send their dogs. What are you mumbling about? I told you already, I'm not a nice person. I admit defeat, huh? You think you can compete with me, lamb chops? Another stubborn pig again, huh? Now you know how wonderful it is to be able to breathe properly, huh? Isn't that nice? Not dizzy anymore, right? Don't feel like gnashing your teeth now, huh? Not trying to bite me to death anymore, right? Breathing smoothly now? You got a mental problem, I swear. Your urine smells really strong. You know that. You're overheated. Drink more water. You're lucky to have made it here, let me tell you. This is what they mean by vicious dog meets vicious man. What kind of young lady goes out dressed like that? What are you doing? No matter how tasty it smells, you can't skip the veggies.